This is Snake by Arctic Games for the ZX Spec. And as you can see, it's a very basic fundamental game. But I have to say, despite the limitations, it's really fun and it's very addictive. Arctic Games are famous for Bear Bother, and they made games for Spectrum, Commodore, Amstrad. But that was their most important game, apart from 1K ZX Chess for the ZX81. And as you can see, this game has very simple graphics. It's Snake, you just go around collecting what you need to collect and avoiding going back on yourself. It's very good, the sound is okay. The controls are quite hard. I have to use 5, 6, 7, 8 for directions across and down. So yeah, I like this game and I like the company. They did a Galaxian game, which isn't on Wiki, nor is this game on their Wiki page. So I don't know what's going on there, but hey, let's just enjoy this lovely game.